Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you tired of constantly running out of disk space on your C drive? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you different and easy ways to free up some disk space on your computer without losing any valuable data. And the best part, these methods work on any version of Windows. Even if you are running low on disk space right now, it's still a good idea to perform these steps every once in a while to keep your computer running smoothly. So let's dive right in. In this video, I'll walk you through each step, starting with the easiest, cleaning out your trash. You won't believe how much space you can reclaim just by emptying your recycle bin. Now, as you can see here, we have 362 gigabytes free of 907 gigabytes. Now, in order for us to reduce space here, let's go to our recycle bin. Well, as you can see, I have some videos, files, and applications in my recycle bin. These are actually taking up space in my C drive. In order for me to reclaim them, I have to empty my recycle bin. Now let's click on Ctrl A, then delete. The next thing is for us to go to our C drive to see how much we have reclaimed. As you can see, we have been able to gather 381 gigabytes. Isn't that much? Now, let's try another step, this time around, to see if we could reclaim more space. Another way to free up space on your computer is to delete cached Windows update files. To do this, go to the C drive, open the Windows folder, and find the software distribution folder. This folder can take up a lot of space, up to 5 gigabytes. So delete all the content and empty your recycle bin to see the impact on your disk space. Now let's go through this together. From the C drive, double-click on the drive and click on Windows folder. Now let's search for Windows. Click on Windows here and then search for a folder named Software Distribution. Now in my case, I have just about 776 megabytes of data in this folder. This also varies depending on the software distribution files you have stored in it. Now it could go as large as 5 gigabytes, as I said earlier. So it can take much space. So open the folder and select all the contents and hit the delete button from your keyboard. Now let's go back to our C drive. Now you can see it hasn't made any impact by this space yet until I go to empty my recycle bin. Then I can see that I've recovered some disk space. If you do not see any changes on your C drive, please refresh your page. As you can see, it didn't make much difference. Now let's try another method. Another method is to perform a disk cleanup. To do this, let's go to search and type disk cleanup. On the disk cleanup icon from your search result, it will ask you to select the drive you want to clean up. In my case, I will leave it as C. Then I click OK. As you can see, the disk cleanup utility is running. So when this pops up, it shows the amount of space you can free by running the cleanup utility. You can also see a list of files that you are about to delete. It also shows the size of each file. In my case, you can see the total amount of disk space I stand to gain is 1.10 gigabytes. Now let's highlight all files. Then click OK. So after running the cleanup, let's go and check how much space we have free. As you can see, okay, when we are using the disk cleanup utility, we have to go through a few iterations to recover all your disk space. I don't know why we cannot do the cleanup once, but we need to still go back to see how much space we can still recover. Now let's search for disk cleanup utility. Then click on all files. And run it. You might want to do this over and over till you get enough space on your drive. And the next will be the last method I'll be teaching you guys, which will be the use of gigantic command on your Windows to reveal all files larger than 128 megabytes. To do this, go to your computer and open your C drive. Then click the mouse to the search text box. In the upper right corner of the window, type in size gigantic, just as shown on the screen. Then wait for Windows to list all your files. This might take a little bit of time, so probably I will fast forward. You might want to look at files that are not useful to you. And in my case, this movie is not useful to me. So I would like to delete it. It has 7.91 gigabytes. Highlight and delete. Sometimes when you see try again, all you need to do is refresh the page or delete the page, then put it back on. Then after that, you see that all the deleted files are all gone. So in my case, I would like to delete all folders because they are not useful to me. So once I delete it, as you can see, it is empty. So now the next step is for us to go to your recycle bin to delete it. So right click, delete. So when it says, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? You click on the yes button. Now let's go back to our C drive. As you can see, we now have 401 gigabytes. So that's pretty much it. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit this notification bell to stay updated. Thank you. Bye for now.